Welcome back. Today is the 29th day of learning English, and specifically we are learning idioms, right? And today again I have come up with two more idioms to share with you. But before that, if you're new in this particular channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for all the notifications and subscriptions, right? So today let me share with you those two idioms. But before that, I would like to tell you something, that is, if you really want to empower your English fluency, try to incorporate all these idioms and phrases in your conversation. And I know that till now we have accumulated 40 to 60 idioms, I guess, right? Lump sum 40 to 50 or 60 idioms so far. And these idioms which I have curated for you all, they are easy as pie, easy to remember, easy to understand, and I have explained you all also, right? So try to use in your conversation and make your English powerful and have a fluency. And here and there, those simple tweaks like grammatical mistakes, pronunciations, you can rectify later on. Hope this is clear to you. And after 30 days, like tomorrow will be the 30th day, and after that I'm going to read one article from a newspaper, and then I'm going to explain you the different, or you can say that context of that particular article, as well as the words, the sentences, meanings, idioms, and whatever the things will be there. Because sometimes reading newspaper is a kind of monotonous work, or you can say we feel monotonous sometimes because of many jargons in that, right? So don't worry, I'm going to read, I'm going to explain you. Meanwhile, I'm also going to learn with you. So hope it sounds interesting, amazing. So with this, let me share with you those two idioms. And again, these two idioms are easy as pie. Only the thing is, we are not practicing. We don't use all these things. But when somebody uses, we always say, wow, ye to mujhe aata tha. I knew this, right? So the number one idiom which I would like to share, that is, we are sailing on the same boat. So when you hear this idiom, we are sailing on the same boat, it means that we are in the same situation. Maybe you are practicing English, you want to improve your English. I can simply say that we are sailing on the same boat, because I also want to improve my English. I also want to excel in this particular language. I also want to showcase that I am fluent in English. So we are sailing on the same boat. Another example, maybe right now you don't have money, you are broke, you don't have money. So in that situation, I can also say, if I am broke, that my dear, I'm also sailing on the same boat, because I am also broke right now. I don't have money. Hope this is clear to you. Whenever you are in the same situation, if somebody is saying the same thing, or somebody is saying you something, and you feel like you are right now in the same situation, you can simply use this particular idiom, that we are sailing on the same boat. That means I am sailing on the same boat, right? This way. The second thing is, again, it is easy as pie, but we hardly, rarely, barely, right, say or use this in our conversation, and that is, action speaks louder than words. Action speaks louder than words. For instance, that means if you are doing something, that will show that you are ready to do something in your life. But if you are only speaking, if you are only talking, that means if you are only talking and not doing anything, that means you are not showing any action. So always walk the talk. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are saying, walk the talk. This is also a great idiom, or you can say a phrase. Walk the talk, don't talk the talk. बोलते हैं ना, किसी बातें मत किया करो, काम भी किया करो. So whenever somebody is showing you or saying that I really love you, or I'm really practicing English. So if somebody is saying, that will not work. It has to have some kind of actions. If somebody is showing some kind of action, that means doing some kind of care for you. That means that's a love, right? If you are practicing every single day to improve your English fluency, that's an action. That means you are doing something. So action speaks louder than words. If somebody is doing something, that means they are doing some kind of action. And if somebody is only talking, talk the talk, not walk the talk, that means not doing anything. So in that case, we can simply say that, I know action speaks louder than words. You are only like you believe in talk the talk, not walk the talk. So always walk the talk. Hope this is clear to you. So if you find this particular video interesting and worth sharing, do that. We'll be back tomorrow again. This is Beena Roy signing off.